Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I will start with the morning show. So based on the match we will play on Sunday against Chelsea, Paul Merson, who is our Arsenal legend, Conde, like give your own prediction on how the match will go. So Merson they talk say Chelsea will lose 2-0. Arsenal will beat them at the Emirates Stadium. Like see Chelsea coming to the Emirates Stadium and collecting the points. TBR reported this story. They said Paul Merson shares what Arsenal now risk doing that he can't believe ahead of Chelsea clash. You get so Paul Merson backs Arsenal to win 2-0 against Chelsea. So he said Paul Merson stressed that Arsenal need to win this game. Like this game, I must win. Because if Arsenal don't win this game, some people there for Arsenal back. We go close the rank, close the gap with, against them. Now, Nottingham Forest, in case you are not aware, they are 4 points behind the likes of Arsenal. Chelsea there are maybe 6-7 points behind Arsenal. So imagine say Chelsea come beat us. This say they go close the gap. Imagine say Man City self win their own match. They go close the gap. So it no go really make any sense. And if say no really they convinced, say Chelsea go fit beat Arsenal because Chelsea will struggle to beat even Leicester City. Because Merson reckons Arsenal will win 2-0 against the blue side, who are missing their striker Nicolas Jackson, just like we said with the miss our striker Kai Havertz. You get and Kopama don't lose form. The guy know they no, I don't know what he just do the guy. So now the submission of Paul Merson be that. Fine, this is going to be a London derby, in case you are not aware. Now, London derby, and I think I get a very good record against this London derby, especially the Chelsea there. So we have a good record against them. We'll see what's going to happen at the Emirates Stadium. Chelsea, we don't know the type of Chelsea what we go see. Sometimes they will pack the bus, sometimes they will come outside and follow you and play. Again, but this time around, I don't really know the type we will see. But at least we still get confidence. Okay, Martinelli don't come back. Our attack we still get more pace. Because without Martinelli, we did very, very slow. So now we have an injection of pace. What the guy go feel release making better. Yes, then imagine one Martinelli is still something to cheer. Yes, so we'll see how Ateta go step up that game and whether I'm to play center forward or Trossard play center forward. These are things that we don't know how it will go down. So we could just watch. Any way they go, Shashola at the year. I got to let you know. Now, at the same time, Arsenal, from what they hear, they don't take a major step forward in their plans to see how they will expand the Emirates Stadium. I know, say, was it not yesterday, I believe for yesterday, I saw a report, say Manchester United want like to rebuild their stadium. They don't budget £2 billion. 2 billion. Yes, now Manchester United budget. So maybe now what's the ginger and say, no go they left behind, no come do our own. Manchester United fans are complaining that you are leaving the priority, things where you go fix. You go to fix stadium. Shouldn't still not be our problem. You get so Master fans too are saying the same thing because from that building of the stadium, they go, say we don't have money to buy players, we want to rebuild. You get so now waiting me I no go like to hear, but now wait. We'll buy our main players because when you want to rebuild, it's all about revenue generation. So the club want to realize more revenue. You get but this rebuild the way they hear it, they take time. It'll be like something we say we just do and everything don't finish. Because when you look at the report put out by the Daily Mail, they say at 60,704 seats where the Emirates Stadium be. Now, Arsenal currently have the 5th biggest stadium in the EPL. Now, they were second when they launched that Emirates Stadium. Now, second they be because now Tottenham Hotspur don't build their own. They don't do 62,000. West Ham don't rebuild their own. They don't do 62,000. Liverpool, they did 61,000 before, but now all of them don't bear, they don't blow, again, they don't rebuild, they don't blow. So now Man City itself won't rebuild their own to come even meet Arsenal, overtake Arsenal by the 60k. So that's why Arsenal they say, we're not really left behind though, guys, because we want to raise more money and see how things will go at the end of the day. So now part of the things we see now, so more just watch. Anyhow, Bisha, idea to let you know. All right, so today in memory, so today now 1 year where I lost my brother. I think I remember 2024 March 14. You get so today, and I just join and say a few prayers for him. So for the soul of Wankwo Chukuma Elvis and the souls of all the faithful departed through the mercy of God, rest in perfect peace. Amen. So may he rest in peace. All right. So away from that, so Sky Sports. I was checking the Sky Sports paper talk. So Sky Sports, according to them, when you say Andrea Berta, who is our director of football, so he wants to sign Bruno Guimaraes as part of a triple summer transfer spree under him. You get. So they say Arsenal are expected to be busy, like very, very busy in the summer transfer window, with Andrea Berta poised to oversee their business after agreeing to become Arsenal sporting director. So that one said not good news, yeah, because part of the paper talk, even the Daily Mirror, they posted their own headline: Arsenal are expected to be busy in the transfer market in the summer. You get. So I like all this news. It makes sense, yes. Even Eduardo Hagen posted an exclusive story by Ben Jacobs where he said Andrea Berta is keen to sign Bruno Guimaraes alongside with Martin Zubimendi. Information confirms that Arsenal have 300 million euros for the next transfer window. This news, you don't get it. Many people are reporting it. More people don't get it. So we'll just see if this be the case at the end of the season, say then give Berta 300 million, because people were saying, CHUKS, what will be the guarantee? Said they don't give Edugas for money to spend. They'll give Andrea Berta money to spend. I said, because this is the time. I don't talk them before. Many people are very, very pessimistic, which is their right to be so. Again, because when you look at Arsenal's antecedents, it don't really give room for a person to be very, very hopeful. Because Arsenal will disappoint a lot of people for the transfer window, but I still tell you, calm your nerves. We will see how this transfer window will go. Then we'll shock all of us. This is the time. And Berta came in at the right time to put the square pegs in the square holes. So we'll just get patience and see how all these things go navigate. Like me, I'm hopeful. We'll just see. Now, for the French national team, they don't call up William Saliba. So Saliba has been invited to play in the French camp. Even somebody sent me a DM, one of them says, CHUKS, you know, say as Saliba now, they don't invite him. Both in Mbappe, all of them. So Saliba for training, for French training, Saliba going to understudy Mbappe, try to understand the guy to play, because we are still going to meet them in April. Get. At the same time, just like they call up Gabriel Magalhães for Brazil, going to study Vinicius Junior, those kinds of things. If you like study from that to tomorrow, what go happen, no be by that one. Yes, no be by that one, because people when they study, they know be them be the direct people. Okay, Saliba and Gabriel Magalhães will be responsible for caging Mbappe. Yes, so that one said they. But Gabriel Magalhães don't be go call the mark Rodrigo now, don't be go call the mark Vinicius Junior. So don't be by that one. But we'll just watch at least if you can't see how the guy they play. Even self, apart from that, do you know that in Arsenal they have data analysts where they watch footage, watch player tapes, show you how they like to dribble, how they like to make runs, how they try to make space. They will show the defender, say, see how this guy like to move with the ball, without the ball. This is the play ball, I just like that go play. There are a lot of things where we say, once you are in a professional setup, Baba, that was like we hear players go say, when I came to Arsenal, when I come to Arsenal, I don't know football before. I just learn from scratch. A lot of data, what did they tell? I thought that which day I thought that data the paper when right leak. When we say them post about the media don't understand what Ateta mean. That they write some kind of things there, mark this one, do that one, nobody understand, because it is very, very cryptic. So that's what it be. So, but I just hope say at the end of the day, we get joy in this match. Now, yesterday, Manchester United played the Real Sociedad in the Europa League. So, in heaven, the guy starts. He started yesterday. So, and the guy did well, because I checked how Manchester United they use him. He was playing in the back three, and whether they collapsed to the back five. So the guy really did well. In fact, Ruben Amorim said that ever since the guy played very, very well against Arsenal, say he should say yes, the guy already mature and he ready to give the guy playing time. You get where the guy go use enjoy. So that one said I just like it's made in hell end. You get. So at the end of the day, when you look at me, I can't look back now, say what did they happen now? It shows say this haven now. I think come on for Arsenal, you work for them, because not everybody they work for. You get. Some people they will be say they run come on for Arsenal, and at the end of the day, they don't see game time. You know what it means to leave Arsenal? I called it for Manchester United first 11 in a major game. Like Yusuf Tinker, the guy is playing in a major game for Manchester United, so everywhere he go well for him. Like I just did somewhat like I'm happy for him anyway. Because I don't get any objection from him. I'm very, very happy for him because it's working well, and more grease to his elbows. So now the way me I see. All right, away from that, let's bring you a message from one of our sponsors, Mobile World Associates and Co. Limited. So they are into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They are also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 8064642234, and they're located at number 7 Kennywood Road, Oreazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in their services, please do reach out to them. Now, away from that, so TBR, can you let us know, say Barcelona and Atletico Madrid have held talks about signing Mikel Arteta's massive Arsenal player. Who is this massive Arsenal player? When you look beneath the headline, they say TBR Football can exclusively reveal that Barcelona and Atletico Madrid have held talks about signing Thomas Partey. You get so because what is the situation they show now? They show say as it stands now, say Arsenal may likely not give Thomas Partey a new contract. And for me personally, if I'm going to be advised Thomas Partey, I go say make come out because if Arsenal won't give you contract, ISIS they give you 1 year. Arsenal cannot give you 2 years. But if you were to sign for Atletico Madrid, who were like your parents' club before they constantly go give Arsenal, they're not going to sign you for 1 year because it's 31. They go sign up for like 2 years. Baka will give them like 2 years. So why would you take a 1 year at Arsenal with no guarantees, with no security? After that 1 year, when you become 32 plus, Arsenal will tell you, may find your square roots. And the first thing there for the Arsenal said, they can't go buy the Martins Zubimendi and the Gumarej, where then they find. So what will not be your future? So if Nami being advisor, sometimes nobody looks at it because you be Arsenal fan, you can't look things from the bias point of view. No. Also look at things from the player's perspective. It's POV. Now do me look at this Grand Eden Haven now. We don't go Manchester United. When you want to come out, many Arsenal fans were angry. When you want to come, no. Sometimes you have to look at what is in the best interest of the player, not what is in the best interest of the fan, you. So now the way me they look and now they put myself in Thomas Partey's shoes, what will be the best thing going forward? Is it to take 1 year at Arsenal? Because I can tell you for free, Arsenal no go give Thomas Partey 2 years extension. They go do what they do Giorgio. They get Giorgio 1 year. After that 1 year, Giorgio now they go with a Palmeiras and Flamengo. So that is the same thing I will see happening to Partey. And don't be surprised if Partey takes an extension, Gumaresh enter, Zubimendi enter, Partey becomes side burner, becomes Benjamin material. You get it's possible. And I tell you, it's possible. It can happen. So if I be Partey, I go use my tongue, count my teeth. Because when you look at the reports, back and this type of players, back and they really like, who they don't go to spend plenty money. And the TBR football chief correspondent Graham Bailey, now they review say yes, back and Atletico have held talks. So anyway, between negotiate, now Thomas Partey get the final say. So anyway, be I will let you know. Now, away from that, so Zinchenko can they explain how the Arsenal fans, Arsenal players waiting for dressing room, how they taking the information about it and go play Real Madrid. You get because say after we play, Madrid go enter extra time. So then go there for the dressing room, they'll watch the match, they'll see how the match will end at the end of the day. You get so now when you read the entirety of this particular report, say how Arsenal players reacted after finding out about Real Madrid. So for media, they can't ask Zinchenko, yes, about everything. So Arsenal say we knew after kicking the ball against PSV that we're going to play one of the two Real Madrid side. Even this person said, Mikel Arteta, they ask him, he gets about everything. And then I say, say he don't know which one to choose. Say say two of them, they be decent teams, they are good teams. Now, what Zinchenko got to talk? He say, say they easy. Say now mixed emotions when they actually find out who them will play. Say it was mixed emotion because I think the journalist was asking him, say, okay, in the mix zone after the game, Zinchenko spoke to a few reporters and was asked if all the players in the dressing room cheered, whether they were happy after seeing Real Madrid qualify. We say, ask them Real Madrid. No, Zinchenko say, how can you cheer? When I read this report, I laughed like I've never laughed before. The reporter from Haters TV, they ask her, say, like, when I'm happy, say, yes, I'm sitting in Madrid. Say, how can you cheer? It was mixed feelings, to be honest. Atletico Madrid have been unlucky with that Julian Alvarez penalty, so I don't know because I have a feeling that they were rooting for to play Atletico Madrid because then they feel bad for Atletico saying Julian Alvarez penalty. So So I don't know. No one said anything. It was mixed emotions to play Real Madrid or Atletico. They are both amazing clubs, but that's the thing me I'm saying. Even the Jack Bubondo say it's a tall order. Is it impossible? No. But is it going to be difficult? Yes. So that's why for those who say, I want Real Madrid, I want to, even the player has gone there, no. Say, Kone easy. You don't go easy at all. But it is what it is. Like Henry advised us, let's have that belief that we can do it. Yes. Let's just have that belief and pray that God gives Bukayo Saka quick recovery. Yes, they can come back, not just to come back, but to be match fit and match ready. And we'll see however it wants to go. We'll see however it goes. So now the best way we will take handle the matter be that. Now, away from that, so another of our sponsors who's powering today's video are Dexwella. So they are into aluminium and glass. They are dealers in all kinds of aluminium window doors, frameless glass, stainless rail, sunbreaker and cladding, aluminium roofing, office partition and cashier cubicles, and also they're into shower cubicles, PVC and suspended ceiling. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on 081661238 and 26. But if you want to reach out to them on WhatsApp, 07086389722, and your best is their concern. So if you're interested in any of the services, please do reach out to them. So my dear Arsenal lovers, the biggest news of the day is the fact that Paul Merson, they predict the Arsenal-Chelsea match, say Arsenal will beat Chelsea 2-0, so they don't really see Chelsea beating Arsenal for the Emirates Stadium, especially when their striker Nicolas Jackson is not available. Kopama is not playing up to expectation. The guy don't lose form. So I don't want to do one. I want to talk. Mind you, we say for no get striker. So two clubs, the no get striker, and this is a London derby. So anyway, Bisha, we'll see I go be on Sunday. So I think the fine place for us to call the show and end. So it's like come your way later in the evening to give you the evening news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll get out. All right, guys. Bye-bye.